And of course, an outfit isn't complete without a beautiful pocket square. And in this case, we have a very special one because we have two sides with two different patterns. One side is with large points, and on the other side we have a beautiful light blue and pink paisley design. So you're able to fold it very differently. And of course we have handcrafted edges, which are made by hand. Of course we have some beautiful silk, and I will show you a look right now. You can fold it like this. That's one of my ways that I have to do or always do. And here you can see the paisley design and also the little points. So it depends on how you fold it, but it looks very beautiful in every way you're folding it. So that's definitely one idea. I hope you like the collection as much as I do, because it's very special. And go check out their website, and of course my Instagram too, because there you will see a lot of pictures with these pieces.